Hi guys, welcome back to SJ Math Educational Channel. In this video, we are going to solve the equation like a pro. Ever wondered how to crack equations like this? Stick around and I'll show you the simplest trick. Subtract 3 from both sides. The goal is to isolate the x. Now divide both sides by 2 to get x on its own. So finally, you get the answer for x as 2. Okay, let's move into a little bit advanced equation. You have to solve this equation 5 times 2a plus 1 equals 35 and find the value for a. Let's get started. First, let's get rid of the 5. To do this, divide both sides of the equation by 5. Then this simplifies to 2, a plus 1 equals 7. Next, we eliminate the plus 1 by subtracting 1 from both sides. Now, to isolate a, divide both sides by 2. Then finally we get the answer as a equals 3. Solve this and let me know your answer below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe SJ Math. See you soon and thank you for watching.